official. The brand new Samsung S20 Plus has literally been dropped today. Yes, that is right, today, and it's ready for pre-order. So we're going to be going inside the Samsung store over here in Brisbane, checking out the S20, having a look what it looks like, what it feels like, whether the camera is really that good, and if there are any funny quirks that we can find as well. So make sure you watch out because I'm going in to check it out.
So this one is the S20. Wow. And this one here, this one's the S20 Plus 5G. Same camera. Look at it. Slightly bigger, that's it. And this one is the S20 Ultra. Oh my god. Ultra edition. So big. Oh my god, look at that camera. It's massive. 100x digital zoom, 10x optical zoom, extra rattle when placed on a table. Amazing stuff just happening. So this is the Note 10 Plus versus the Ultra 5G. I think, look at it, the Ultra 5G with the 5G Ultra stuff. It looks bigger. It's a bigger phone. Let me just take off the case to make sure. Yeah, definitely. It's bigger than the Note because it's cram-packed full of camera bump action. Amazing. 10x optical zoom. Spin it around. Check it out, the S20 looks pathetic. The Ultra is what you want to get. Look at that massive, big. Ooh, the thickness. Looks so tasty. Imagine that in your pocket. Try walking in that. You couldn't do it. And these guys are the S20s. Look at the amazingness of this. The wallpaper, so good. The colors, oh my god, pink. I used to think I was a man, but now with that pink phone, I'm really a man. Whoa, my girlfriend's gonna love the blue. It's such a girly color. Pink is for men. I want the S20 for that. And look, it collects your fingerprints right at the back. Oh, it's so good. Just touching it, it feels amazing. And the rainbow effect when it flashes. This one just has a mini rattle when you place it on a table. Not like the Ultra. The Ultra is for true kings. That one is the one you want to get. Yeah, and it's heavier too. Weight training. S20 is for lightweight. Ultra is for heavyweight. Big camera, big stuff. Amazing phones, check it out. I feel like a magician. Yeah, you get one. You get one. You got a. Everyone gets an S phone. Which one shall I get? I'm not sure. You decide.